I like the upside for gold despite this number. I would actually not personally be looking to buy it here, but if we get a larger pullback, I've been looking at a possible long on gold. I like that setup a lot. That's actually a fresh, by the way, new gold alert on the Edge Finder. By the way, I made a post about this in our Discord yesterday. That's a big deal. Gold has been on the sidelines, been neutral for some time here. We're getting a bullish reading on gold. Now, for the new traders out there joining the stream, gold getting a bullish reading on the Edge Finder does not mean I go out and I go shopping right now for the price of gold. What it means is that think of the top setups algorithm. It's looking at sentiment indicators like the commitment of traders data, retail positioning using like the put to call ratio, seasonality. It's looking at the momentum of the market. It's looking at GDP statistics, manufacturing PMI numbers, services PMI numbers, retail sales numbers, inflation numbers, employment numbers like the numbers that came out today. That's what it's looking at to generate this reading. And so when we see all this stuff kind of being calculated and computed, when you get a gold bullish reading, what that means, it doesn't mean, oh, I'm going to go buy gold right now. What that means is that if I can get the right setup according to my own strategy, I'd be looking for pullback buys with a good risk management setup as always, right? Stops in play. I'm risking a small amount. I'm not going to get crushed if I'm wrong about an idea, but that's how I use the Edge Finder. The Edge Finder is not necessarily a timing tool. It's more of a conditions tool. Are things favorable or not favorable for gold on the Edge Finder at this time? Gold is actually a favorable consideration on the Edge Finder right now. Same thing with stocks. And with strong labor market data, I'm not a hater of stocks. I'd actually prefer strong jobs data with a little bit of inflation rather than high inflation and weak jobs numbers, right? We don't want that. Basically the conditions I would say right now for stocks are quite good. You have a strong labor market. Your bounce back here today, that's a strong labor number that we got today. You've got company earnings that have been really good. I think there's a little bit of a Trump put and Powell put in the market right now. Basically what I mean by that is that the Fed has room to cut rates further if need be. And Trump also cares a lot about what the stock market does. So he doesn't want a huge, sell off in the stock market. At least that's my guess. I think, last time around in his previous administration, Trump was the stock market guy. He constantly fixated and bragged about his stock market returns under his administration. So I think he probably feels the same way this time around. He wants the stock market to do well. So that's what we would call a Trump put. Same thing with a Powell put, right? They have room to cut rates. Those are back pocket play cards essentially to keeping the stock market doing okay. And they won't call it that, but that's in my opinion what it is. If you'd like to see more of our free daily chart of the days, make sure to join our Telegram channel if you have not already joined. And if you are already in the Telegram channel, make sure to hit that thumbs up button to support our work. Also, quick reminder that if you're looking for free tools and free education in the trading space, head over to a1trading.com. You can check out our free technical fundamental courses and much more.